Everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sanjay and I'm back again with another video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to comment and like this video. Okay guys, let's get started. So in today's video, there's a company called Prudential is hiring. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you a little information about this. So let's get started. Okay, so they are actually hiring quite in a few places. So there will be link in the description if you want to check the career section out. But for this job that I'm currently actually talking about is for a senior customer service associate, and this is remote. So this is remote mostly in all the state that have listed here. So they have Jacksonville, which you guys know I'm in Jacksonville, Florida at the moment. They have New Jersey, Tennessee, New York, Kansas, Arizona, Washington, Texas, Virginia. So they have a lot of state and city listed here. So if your state and city is listed here, then you most likely will be able to apply for this job. I would say if it's not listed here, go ahead and apply anyway. Yes, go ahead and apply anyway because there's always a chance that you might get the job too. So right now they're hiring for a senior customer service associate, and they're looking for someone that's able to handle calls, able to communicate with people over the phone. Okay, so what their key responsibility include for this position is handling of incoming email inquiries for policy conversion of term to permanent life product for a Prudential agency and brokerage distribution partner, communicating with businesses, partners on requirement and procedures to accurately complete policy conversation, communication, and contact with brokers, multi-tax potential of extension research to help solve questions and problems. Okay, and these are the qualifications that they are looking for. Someone that has knowledge into this type of jobs, knowledge of change in term conversion inquiries, demonstrate professionalism and positive attitude, customer focus, demonstrate flexibility in the sense of urgency, conduct throughout research and inquiries, has the ability to collaborate across business unit, excel with time management and prioritize workload. Okay, so this company does pay quite good. They pay between 40,000 to 59,000 a year. This is all based on experience. They said specific price for a role may vary within the above range based on many factors, including geographic location, candidate experience, and skills. Okay, and also they said that the if you get hired, you will get benefits. The benefits standard package include PTO, medical, and dental, and retirement. So if you are interested in this job and you want to work remotely anywhere and you see that your state is located here, go ahead and apply for this job. I'm going to go ahead and link it down below in the description. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment and like this video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.